In this dark and delightful time, I'm here to welcome you to Quarantine Kitchen. I've set various cuisines for our participants to try and prepare. Who I am doesn't matter. It's what they make in the letter. They must continue through this trial with only a description of the dish and a list of the ingredients. However, I have provided little clues to help them along the way, if only they can read between the lines. This week, I am starting off easy. A ham and pea soup with warm bread rolls.
Hello, I'm Luke. I study music and sound recording, as you can see. I'm pretty good at making anything carby, breads, pasta, cake, but I do fall down a little bit when making some of the more delicate dishes.
Hello, my name is Manzo, and I am a contestant for Quarantine Kitchen. I also wanted to say that I am from Afghanistan. I love cooking. I've done it for quite a while, only when I moved into university really.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm from Surrey. I'm pretty nervous about being filmed cooking, but at least it's English food. But then what is English food? Just give me the envelope.
I'm told a chef's reaction to a recipe should be smart, mature, and genuine.
My reaction to the menu. Ooh! Pea and ham soup with warm bread roll.
Well, that went out the window then, didn't it?
With warm bread roll. Do I have to make the bread?
The peas and ham complement each other like two peas in a ham pod. Great.
Okay, firstly I don't have ham at home, so I'm gonna be substituting that for a different meat, maybe?
Okay, I don't eat ham, so let's cut that out. It's gonna be pea soup, I think.
What I don't have is peas, which for a pea soup is a bit of a problem.
Bread, I've never really had a crack at it. Got some white bread just sitting around, might as well use that, right?
Of course, and while you're at it, why don't you just use a tin of soup as well?
I can't make bread out of just flour.
Now, what you've got to remember is that Luke studies sound recording. You can't really tell, can you?
Smells like onion, garlic, butter. I suppose that might be because that's what I put in there.
What intelligent and mature chefs we have here.
How much is a knob?
The peas, I wanna get them blended before I put them in. Ooh.
So we're going to go for 650 grams of flour. Oh, 680, that'll do.
Now that is true English cooking.
I'm making a flatbread, by the way. Because we have no yeast, no self-raising flour. There's my stock.
The top tip is, I have found that if you give it a little bit of a rest before you knead it, it will knead much easier. We're going to cover that with a tea towel and leave it somewhere warm to rest.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Top chef tip, you never want the knife to leave the chopping board. It's always safe like that.
And don't worry, he didn't just see that on TV.
Ooh, yikes.
Damn! I burnt it filming B-roll. That won't do at all. Oh, the bloody onions in your eyes.
Just whack the lettuce in. Sounds weird, but maybe it'll work. Who knows?
Got a dried bay leaf and about 2/3 of that bag of lentils.
Lentils are just a flat, red, and completely different type of pea, right?
Oh,
Honestly, I'm surprised he's not on MasterChef.
you don't want cooking that, really.
So this is a Leonie top tip. Because I once exploded some potato soup in here and it was really hot. You put it on top of the hole and it stops the steam from making the whole thing rupture. So it's a good tip apparently. Here we go.
So here we have the leftover ham from when I had ham, egg and chips the other night. And now we're going to gently form them into little balls. It's been in there for about half an hour now. Oh, fantastic.
I've added the cream. It's looking a bit of a hazardous dish.
That looks horrible.
Is that a sound, the bread or her teeth?
That could be both, to be honest.
I wouldn't recommend it.
We've just got to quickly fish out the thyme stalk and the bay leaf.
I'm not sure if it's gonna be any good.
And we're done.
And a fresh sprig of rosemary to finish.
Lydia has made a vegetarian take on the soup, accompanied by a yeast-free flatbread.
I don't hate it. It is very doughy though. If you like open this up. It does taste like there's meat in there, but there's no meat, so that's pretty impressive. I am impressed. Including the bread, I'd give this like a solid 7.58.
And some exquisitely blended peas from Manzor.
That's really green. So what was in this again? So peas, caramelized onions, some garlic, vegetable stock, blended. Okay, here goes.
I think the bread will really make this dish.
It's not bad. It's edible. That's good. Yeah.
And finally, it's Luke, with a ham and lentil soup served with a warm bread roll.
Really good. Got ham and a bit salty from the ham, lentils and sweet vegetables in there. I can see some carrot.
Next time, the contestants try and make an English main course. Those poor housemates.
Well, those are interesting renditions. Anyways, it is time for you, the viewers, to get involved. You can vote on the link below for your favorite hot take. Till next dish then, bye bye now.